Good morning, BROCHIKAS. I'm starting another weekly vlog. I really like doing these a week in my life because I don't have to like call it anything really. It's just a week in my life. It's just a vlog for no reason. I am getting to my time of the month, so beautiful. I just noticed that in the camera. I am kind of like in spring cleaning mode right now. We are house hunting, which I mentioned in the last vlog. So we still have some time. We still have a couple months, but it really motivates me to start getting rid of a bunch of stuff I don't need. And so I'm kind of having like a garage sale, but like on Facebook Marketplace. So first, I'm just getting rid of a bunch of stuff that I don't use. I'm tidying up. Yes, I did watch 3 episodes of Marie Kondo yesterday. And anything that does not spark joy, I am not bringing with me to this next house, okay? So yes, I am starting a little bit early, but it'll just be much easier once it comes down to the time that we're moving. I won't have as much stuff to bring along with me. And I realized that when it comes to like my makeup and stuff like that, I have been holding on to a lot of things that I don't even use, maybe because it's a brand name or because it's like, oh, I might need it one day, this, that, the other. I also have my whole makeup freelance kit that probably has a lot of expired makeup in there because I haven't been doing freelance for a while now. So I'm also going to go through that and possibly sell my makeup case because it's just this very heavy, bulky thing that I don't use, and it's just taking up space in my closet. So as much as it hurts me to get rid of it, it's not like I'm using it. I have not touched it. And honestly, a lot of the stuff from in my makeup freelance kit I've started to use for myself. So the only things I want to keep are the eyeshadow palettes for Halloween makeup. And everything else I'm going to get rid of. So I got this tub from downstairs. This is just like a random tub under my kitchen sink that I don't even use. And I'm gonna go through my personal stash and get rid of everything that I don't need. So here is what we look like. I mean, we're a mess, and I swear I just cleaned this place and we are just a wreck, you guys. There's just way too much stuff in here. I mean, I can't tell you how often I do not open this drawer. Like, I do not open this drawer. I don't know why I keep all this stuff. I really don't need it. There are a few favorites I have that I switch back and forth between. Like, you know, this is a really good highlighter. I love this one. This Estee Lauder is a really good blush, and that's like really nice and expensive. And even though this is cheap, I use it all the time. But like this, don't use. This Clinique one, don't use. But sometimes I use it in the summer. Maybe I'll keep it. Yeah, this is old as heck. I don't even know when this is from. It's probably expired. This Bare Mineral ones, it's really pretty. I just never touch it. I do love the Milani blushes. See, it's so hard for me to get rid of stuff, but like, okay, let's be realistic. I've hit pan. That's empty. Get rid of it. Okay, I'm done. I'm getting rid of it. This is old as heck. It's probably expired. This Benefit What's Up. I'll never use this e.l.f. one. I'm pretty sure this is empty. Actually, I should put that in the trash. That's like half good. This one's like empty. I don't know why this is in here, you guys. I'm crazy. And I do love my Dr. Brandt, and I have a little bit left, so I'm gonna keep that. This is another like all over stick I don't use. A blush I don't use. I do not use this. Oh my gosh, that's like one drawer, you guys. I'm crazy. Okay, this is like hit pan. Why am I keeping this, right? I don't use this. This was from the Butter Bronzer. Okay. This is like what I actually use right here. Okay, so I have to go into work in a minute, but long story short is I got rid of tons of things that I never use, never reach for. And if I haven't reached for them in a year, I'm not going to reach for them in the future. So I got rid of them, and we're going to have a garage sale coming up soon because I just don't want to be hoarding stuff. This is a really ugly angle, I know, but I really don't feel like setting up my thingy, and I'm already driving. Oh, they have new drinks over there. What is that? Frappuccino and like iced tea. Ooh, that looks good. My favorite little coffee shop. They have a new sign outside featuring their cold drinks. So that's what I was going to talk about. The weather is absolutely gorgeous. I hope my air conditioner is not too loud. It's 71 and it's super sunny and so beautiful. Honestly, it feels like 80. It's like the most perfect weather right now. I wish it could stay like this all the time. It feels so good. And I'm honestly ready for warm weather, but I know that I'm going to be hating that I said that in a few months because it'll probably be too hot. But yeah, I'm on my way to work, as you can see. I didn't get to show you guys, but I'll put a clip right here while I'm talking that I got Bailey a new litter box. And I know it seems like, okay, and why is that cool? Well, I've been wanting to get her a covered litter box ever since we got her, but I just didn't really feel like spending the money. And then also I wanted to train her and make sure she knew where it was at, and then maybe consider doing the whole covered thing, because when she was little, I mean, you can't get a covered box with a little tiny kitten. Like, they would not be able to get in and out of that. So now that she is a big girl, she's like 5 months old now, and we're gonna be moving very soon, in less than a month. I was like, I can't shock her with a new house and a new place to go to the bathroom, so I have to do one before the other. And I really would like a nice covered clean one for the new home. I don't want to start out with an open one, because that's it's just so gross, to just see this stuff in there. But anyway, I found one on Facebook Marketplace. To my surprise, today I didn't realize I was going to find it for such a good price. She was charging $15, and it was like a brand new, immaculate, like never been used, covered with a cat door litter box. Really great condition, and the colors, oddly enough, match with my house, which is weird and awesome. So I only had $12 cash that I made from my kind of like garage sale online on Facebook Marketplace. So I was like, would you take 12? I've got cash right now. I can come over and get it. And she was like, yeah, that's fine. And I was like, oh, yes. Because the cheapest one you can find is going to be $30. And I got one for $12. And it was so clean and immaculate. I'm really excited about that purchase. There's a lot of things on the list in my head that I want to get for this house. Obviously, it's going to take a long time for us to have everything in our house exactly the way we want it. But luckily, we're almost starting from scratch, because it's not like we have to make any updates to the house or change anything to the actual house itself, because everything about it is great and beautiful, and I don't want to change anything about the house itself. But when it comes to like decor and furniture wise, like for what we own, that's what we're going to be updating. So it's going to just take some time for us to furnish it the way we want to furnish it. But that was like my first goal, so I can like cross that off the list. I'm so happy I found that today. And then I was so excited to come home and show her how to use it, or show her what it was. That's why I didn't take a clip beforehand, before I put the litter in. So yeah, I just showed her what it was, and she inspected it for like ever. And now she knows that's her spots. Good morning, BROCHIKAS. I just wanted to show you the purchases that we made yesterday on Facebook Marketplace. So let me go ahead and show you. I'm looking crazy. I just woke up and I had my first cup of coffee. Okay, so we got these 3 bar stools because we now have a kitchen island, which you guys will see soon. And it does have that lip over it so that you can push stools in. So I am so excited to have a little eat-in kitchen area, or like while I'm cooking, hubby can talk to me, and it's just so nice. I love it. So I found these on Facebook Marketplace. She was selling all 3 for $20. So yeah, these are counter height bar stools. So they're the shorter versions, because our kitchen island is counter height. It's not like super tall. So I love it. This color is really pretty. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, but it's almost like a cherry, like a dark cherry chocolate color wood. So I'm gonna bring it into the house and we'll see if I'm gonna paint it or not. I'm thinking about painting them, but the wood is so beautiful, I might not. And these are solid wood. They're not like fake. They're very, very nice and expensive. So that was a really good pickup. 3 chairs for $20. Then we got this patio set because we have a very large patio set. It's not going to fit on our new patio, so I wanted to get something smaller. So this is just a smaller little table, and it's got a glass top, very similar to the one we have. And these are the chairs. Our garage is a mess right now, but these are the chairs that it came with, and I got that set for $30. So I like the color on this. It's just a neutral color right now. Our set has red pads, and I did have like a red kitchen decor on the last house that I had, and so I got the red chair pads, but I am just not liking the red right now. But the great things with these is you can just buy new ones, because these are a little, like, you see how there's like a clip here, so I can just go buy new ones whenever I want, but at least I have these in the meantime. There's a small rip on the top here, but I'll just change them out when I find some. At like Walmart, they sell a lot of them. But that's why I like these types of chairs, because they're comfortable with the pads, but you can buy new pads, and really you have the base. So either way, I'm glad it's a neutral color for now. But yeah, these are the chairs that I got. So we're just gonna have the 2 chairs and the little table in the middle, because now we have a long, slender back patio, whereas right now we have a big square, and then on our last house we had a huge rectangle, so there was a lot of space to fill up, and that's when we bought that set. But now it's just too large. I think what we're gonna do is just keep it in our garage and eventually buy a shed and just have it in the shed for whenever we have like get-togethers or birthday parties or Easter or something. We can just have more tables and chairs outside on the grass. But yeah, I don't think we're gonna get rid of it. But look at my mess. It's gonna be the garage sale right now. I have it posted on Facebook Marketplace, not including the bike and the treadmill. I'm keeping all that stuff, but like everything right here is for sale. I had a bunch more, and I sold a lot of it. So it's just like a bunch of random kitchen stuff and like clothes and shoes and DVDs, a boombox. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy how you can accumulate so much stuff as a 4-person family. But yeah, that's just my little garage sale pile there.
You two go on the
You said you two go look at something else. See what that recliner off on the sidewalk?
$489 and $499.
So 580. I mean 988.
So don't mind my messy house behind me. Let me turn this way. I am going to end out this vlog now. Okay, so there was like that week, last week was it? I was like posting a million times, I feel like, last week, and then this week I'm so distracted. I barely post. All I posted is that Dollar Tree shop with me. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and post this vlog today. So I'm just kind of closing it out for you guys. But yeah, the gist is we are moving. Our lease is coming to an end now, and we decided not to re-sign the lease here. But of course, I will have more details for you in the next vlog. I can't really disclose everything quite yet, but in the next vlog for sure, you guys will find out what's going on, like what exactly is going on. But basically, I am just going through stuff today. I'm getting rid of some more stuff. People are coming by to get things from me off of Facebook Marketplace. You guys saw we went to, that store was actually Big Lots, and we went to look at couches because I don't know if I've showed you guys my couches, and it's not like there's something really wrong with them, but they are pretty old. Okay, get down, Bailey, get down. They are pretty old, so we just don't want to bring them to the next house. I had to go give this purse to somebody who was buying it. But yeah, these couches were actually hand-me-downs, and we are so blessed to have hand-me-downs. I mean, I feel like that's how every married couple's life starts out. You have to get hand-me-downs. Like nobody, I mean, maybe some people, but most people don't get their first apartment or their first house with their, you know, husband, newlywed, whatever, and like buy everything new. Normally that doesn't happen. You have to build your life up. It's called a come up for a reason, because we all start at the bottom. So yes, these are hand-me-downs. This chair right here is from my dad, and it comes with this ottoman, and I love that chair. It's a large chair. I really like it because sometimes I just want to sit up straight. So I want to keep that. But this one was a hand-me-down from one of Mike's friends. And then it had a different set, but the larger couch that went to it caved into the middle. So we got rid of that and just kept the love seat. And this one doesn't match. Sorry, my house is a mess. And this one actually is super comfortable. It feels like a twin bed. It's really nice to fall asleep on. But you can see the couches, I mean, like the cushions are super messed up. We have to fix them every day. Feathers are coming out of them. And the reason why it's so comfortable is it's down feather. But, you know, there's a lot of wear and tear on this couch. And it's just about that time to get new couches. We have never bought brand new couches. The sectional upstairs was the first couch we bought, but it was from Facebook Marketplace. The people kept it in their game room and they like never sat on it, and it was not even a year old. So that was basically new, but we've never bought couches from a store. So we were looking at Big Lots because they have really good prices. I really want to do gray. I've had that brown tan scheme, but I've been slowly in my life trying to go towards gray. Of course, this house has the brown scheme. That's why some of the things I have are gray and some of the things are brown. But the place that we are moving to has a gray scheme, and I am super excited about it because I think gray and white look just beautiful with a little bit of black accent. And of course, I'm gonna keep a little bit of my teal home decor. So I'm not gonna do as much teal as I did before, and I really don't have that much teal anyways, but I'm just gonna keep a little bit of the teal and add a little more greenery. I want a lot of plants. I just have that one ficus over there, and I have like a little plant in the bathroom and I have like fake flowers on the table, but I want much more greenery. So I'm so excited to decorate this new place. And I can't show you guys anything until the next vlog, so definitely stay tuned. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe because big things are happening, you guys. I'm so excited to share it with you. I'm gonna try to be motivated. I'm gonna try to film some videos today, but I'm just super, super focused on the moving. So we actually move in 3 weeks. Is it 3 weeks? We move in 20 days. 20 days, you guys. It's gonna go by fast, so I'm just gonna start packing things that I know I'm not gonna use and selling things. We are getting rid of a lot of different types of furniture that we just don't want to bring into this new house because it's already old and worn. And it's like when you're living just day to day, you don't think about it, but when you're going into somewhere new, you're like, do we really need this? It's kind of outdated. It's kind of old. We kind of don't use it anymore. Why are we lugging it around? I think that's what made us think about downsizing furniture stuff is like, why are we lugging it from place to place when we don't really love it that much and we don't really use it that much? So unfortunately, this end table and coffee table set I had bought new when we moved into this place, and I loved the color of it. It's like this gray wood, but it's very cheaply made, and I didn't realize it because I ordered it online from JCPenney. And so the legs are always like twisty and bendy, and I even tried to put wood glue. It's just not working. Like the legs are all broken. So we are going to get rid of the coffee table because that thing is just bad news. And the end tables are okay for now, and then eventually we'll get new ones. So yeah, anyways, I just went on a spiel, but just trying to update you guys about our lives. And yeah, 20 days, you guys. So look out for that vlog coming up soon. I can tell you all of the dirty deets, and I will be filming the Q&A, I think today or tomorrow. So yeah, Thank you guys for watching. If you stuck around this long, you are a true G. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.